Johnston family has a little bit of an obsession. This one collects Lego. He grew up with Lego, and when we got married, his mother handed me on our wedding day his bag of Lego from his childhood. So, needless to say, Christmas is a Lego event because every event is a Lego event. I'm gonna take you on a little Lego tour right now. We acquired, or he acquired, the latest Christmas house, and that got built last night. And then I will show you our advent calendar, and we're going to build a couple of Lego things. And then we also have a little Santa or penguin or something on the table. Anyway, here we go. Field trip. Lego field trip. Here is... So those branches that I keep telling you about that are falling, they're falling. And then just to their right is the collection of Lego acquisition. Now this is an anomaly. This is not a Lego acquisition. Kelly sent me this. Isn't he cute? I'll put a link to where Kelly's getting these, but they're like pop-up Christmas cards. But doesn't he look great in our little Lego village? So we have, I don't know what this is. I think this oh no, that doesn't turn. And then this is the latest Lego thing. And beep. Isn't that cool? It lights up. Someday our plan is to build David's workshop with a shelf around the top so that this can stay out all the time and be lit. In addition to that, every year we buy the advent calendar for our grandkids, and we get one too. I think we're a little behind. How far behind are we? 14's not open? 14's not open? Uh-oh. Oh. And David feels the need for lighting. So we have to build 14 and 15 and 16 and 17. So we're behind. We're not very good Advent collectors or Advent builders. But I'm going to put you on the tripod and we'll just do a little Christmas build.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance...
I'm taking you for a walk in my bathroom again, because in addition to a little bit of Lego this evening, we've started booking our trip to Arizona, and I dyed more yarn today. So today it was a green fest and fire. Fire is not going to be released until the slow yarn crawl. So there's something to look forward to. I'll give you a little preview. Green fest. Lots of green. And that's just the yarn part of it. There's also quite a bit of fiber that's in another location drying. And then in the shower, just fire, just a little bit of fire. The fiber will be coming available sooner, but this yarn I'm saving for summer. Imagining myself in front of the tree again. I played with the blue today to try and do sort of an ice yarn, only it's way too dark, so I'm gonna have to work on that a little bit tomorrow. Hopefully I have free time. And there'll also be another cooking video tomorrow. We are working on either cookies, almond cookies, or snack mix. Really good snack mix. Asian/Japanese snack mix. So those two are the foods coming up, and they must be under our belts before we take off. So yeah, a lot of Airbnb and hotel figuring out tonight. That's the bulk of the time was spent doing that. But I think we found some good places, especially my oldest daughter found some good places. All right, so that's your Lego Fest for the evening. Hopefully you'll enjoy that. Again, like, follow, ring the bell, comment. Do you like Lego? What hobbies does your spouse have? There's a question. Mine is very hobby ridden. He's a hobbyist. He takes old electric guitars and fixes them up and messes with their electronics. He makes computer keyboards, which I don't quite understand, but apparently there's a niche for that. He fixes old antique sewing machines, which you've seen before on the channel, and of course is in my best interests for him to fix old sewing machines, because then I get to play with them. And then Lego is a thing. We have quite a bit of Lego in our house, both to play with freely and kits and houses and buildings and things, and a train or two. I think there's two. Anyway, hope you're having a great Advent, and I hope it's got some downtime as well as some crazy times. Today was one of those crazy times. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.